Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, in this episode I'm going to show you my best tip to get really sharp photos. Bonjour mesdames et messieurs, my name is Serge Armini. I'm a French photographer from the amazing, the incredible city of Paris, France, but right now I'm in Los Angeles, California. I want to show you how you can get really sharp photos. Okay, tip number one, make sure you're on a tripod. Tip number two, make sure you are on a 2-second timer so you don't touch the camera when you take the photo. Here, boom, 2-second timer. Tip number three, make sure your stabilization is off. So I'm gonna go to my stabilization and I'm gonna make sure it's on right now. I'm gonna turn it off. So if you have stabilization on your camera, make sure it's off, because when you try to stabilize something that's on a tripod, it's not good. Okay, next tip is make sure your aperture is around 6 or 7. That is usually a very sweet spot. 6 or 7 is a sweet spot where you really get very sharp photos. So I'm at f7 and I'm gonna take this photo. So it's gonna wait 1 or 2 seconds and boom, it takes the photo. Next tip, make sure your photo is sharp so you can play it and zoom in at 100% and make sure it's sharp everywhere, which seems to be the case on this one. And not completely, you see, this one is not completely sharp because of the bushes. The bushes grabbed the focus, so it's not sharp everywhere. So I'm gonna go on this one, because I got something very close to my camera, I'm gonna go to like f10 or something. Okay, the autofocus you need to use is just the regular autofocus from your camera with center metering. That's good enough. You know, unless you've got something very close to the photo, which I'm going to show you in a sec, you're good to go. So let's see if the photo is sharp, and make sure you're sharp everywhere. Okay, perfect. Okay, now I'm going to get closer to the bush over there, and I'm going to show you how you can still get a sharp photo with something closer to your lens, like these bushes. Come with me. All right, so now I'm much closer to a bush here, and I want the sun behind it. And if I take a photo, the autofocus is going to grab the bush, and the whole background is going to be very blurry at f7. Check it out. You see I'm zooming in. You see the bush is pretty sharp, but the background is completely blurry. So we can try to go like f25. So I'm going to do that. You see, and I'm going to zoom in. And now you can see the foreground is kind of okay, and the background is kind of okay too. And just to remind you, this was the f7 version, where this was very sharp and this was blurry. So you see the trick here was to be at f25 to get a really big depth of field. So we got almost everything sharp from the bushes all the way down. Okay, I hope that's going to help you get better sharp photos. There is more advanced techniques called focus stacking, but that will be for another video. Mesdames et messieurs, I will see you in another video. And if you like this, please give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking also the little bell so you get a notification every time a new video comes out. Mesdames et messieurs, I will see you in another video. Au revoir.